everyone and welcome to another video. This video is going to be about my Moress Charms. So I did another haul and I'm more than happy to share with you the items that I got from Moress. So I have 4 boxes and let us start opening the first one. Now Moress Charms, they did a little promo, and when you bought one bangle you got a second bangle for free. So I was able to get the twisted gold plated bangle. It comes with 2 stoppers and all the Pandora charms fit on there, and it is a perfect fit. So I'm really happy with this bangle. And then the second bangle is also a gold plated one, but it is the smooth bangle. So I already used them. You might have seen them on my Instagram account, but I really like these bangles and I'm so happy that I only had to buy one and I got 2. Now let's move on to this box here. Now here is a bracelet which is a little bit similar like the Pandora Me collection that is out now. I'm actually not a fan of the Pandora Me collection. I don't know about you, but I just don't like it. I don't know why, but I do like this. And this is a bracelet from Moress Charms. It's really very light and very elegant, I think. And it comes with a little stopper on top here. And it is a little bit like the Alex and Ani bangles that you can see. But this one actually opens. Let me show you. I think that it's on this side, sorry. So this opens up and you can take this stopper off here, and then you can add some cute little dangles on there. And that what's really caught my eye because they are so cute. Look, I bought myself a couple, and let me zoom in a little bit. Look, I got the angel wing and the rainbow star, which is so pretty. And then I also have the moon. I really like these dangles more actually than I now see with the Pandora Me. So I'm going to be putting them onto the bracelet now. It's always interesting to find a brand that is different than the brand that you are used to. So just let me take this off here. I hope I can get it off. Yes, they're always so well packed. They come all the way from Thailand, by the way. So I have to wait quite a while for them to get to me, but it is well worth it. Now let's see that we don't lose these because they're just so tiny. And let me open up the bangle now. I'm so curious to see how they look on there, because this is the first time that I'm going to be putting them on. Just taking this one off here. It's a little bit tricky, but I'll get there. Wait, hold on guys, I'm going to do it a little bit here. You can see it a little bit better. Okay, so let us put the dangle charms. I'm going to put them on there and see how it goes. See that I have it at the right angle. Okay, let's see. I can do this. Yes. It is so tricky. Okay, that's one. I'm going to put all 3 on there. So just hold on for a moment because it is so small. And I have to see that it is in the good direction. Yes, that's number 2. It looks so pretty already. It's a really light bracelet, so I think that it would be perfect for summer because I don't like wearing heavy charms when it is too hot. Okay, that's, oh no, this is in the opposite side, not the side that I wanted. Okay, sorry guys, it's so tricky, but I don't have my glasses on, so that's why. I need my glasses just to see better. But it is finally done. Yes, they're on there. So let me close the bangle, and then you can just move your stopper a little bit more like there, so you can see that the charms don't move as much, or you can put it a little bit more like there, so that there is a little bit of movement in between them. That's just how you like it, but I do like the concept of this bracelet. I do like this bracelet more than I do like the Pandora Me bracelet. So yes guys, this was my latest haul from Moress Charms. Now I don't know if I will be buying more items from Moress Charms, because for one, it takes a lot of time for them to get to me to Belgium, and I always have to pay taxes on my packages from Morris. So it's, yeah, I do like their charms and they have some pretty amazing things, but it's not always easy for me to get them to me. But we'll see in the future. Anyways, I hope that you liked these items, and I hope to see you again in one of my next videos. And in the meantime, many, many, many happy charm moments to each and every one of you. Bye!